Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you my secret to planting healthy and productive tomatoes in my Oklahoma garden. Let's talk tomatoes. They're my favorite fruit or vegetable, however you want to say that. They are sun-loving, summer-bearing beauties that deserve a strong start. That's a hint. Oh my goodness, right here I forgot my garden gloves. Ladies, please remember to wear your garden gloves. You gotta protect your sexy mama hands. You don't want your hands to look like great grandma hands like mine. So I included a scan code if you want to get one of these gloves. They're my favorite. They're easy to put on, to work in, and they're very affordable on Amazon. First, choose your tomato plant wisely. Decide if they're indeterminate or determined tomato. Knowing which one will help you design the right kind of support. Think of it as picking the right stage for their performance. Next, find a home in full sun for them. Tomatoes need at least a square footage of space to stretch, breathe, and thrive. So don't plant them too close. Now here's where the magic begins. Dig a deep hole. The deeper you think you need, the deeper the roots go and the stronger your tomato will grow. Are you guys ready for the secret ingredient now? Watch this. Dang it, the egg didn't break. Well, I drop in an egg in the hole and a Tums. That's a ChicMamas trick for extra calcium because blossom end rot is not gonna be on my agenda this summer. Ain't nobody got time for that. Here are more secret ingredients I add to my tomato planting routine. A generous scoop of plantain, a sprinkle of bone meal, a touch of tomato tone, and a dash of biotone. In almost everything I plant, biotone. See, my soil is heavy Oklahoma clay. It's stubborn and slow to drain. So I lean on as many amendments as I can think of to feed and fortify this soil so my plants could survive. Before planting the tomato, gently pinch off the lower leaves, especially the ones that may touch the soil. You're planting deep and strong, bearing a good part of the stem so it roots all the way. Backfill with compost or high quality soil. Give it a good soak of water and don't forget to tag your plant. You'll want to remember which tomato is which when they start showing off. When my marigolds and basil seedlings are ready, I will tuck a ring around the tomato plants of marigold and basil, a little companion planting to boost the flavor and ward off those pests. And that's it, my friends. That's my tomato planting ritual, rooted in tradition that I learned from fellow YouTubers, laced with love, and always sharing and growing forward, hopefully together. If you enjoy our time together, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I like sharing what I learned with y'all, and I also like to learn from you. Let's go get our support for the new tomatoes we just planted. Last year during the winter storm, and even earlier this year, the windstorms, I lost a couple of my obelisks for my tomatoes, and I also planted more tomatoes this year. So I ordered the same one from Amazon that I did last year, but the shipment that I got this year is so much better for the same amount of money, 2 for $30. These obelisks are so much stronger, more durable, I think a little bit bigger, and looks and feels so much more high quality than the ones that I got 2 years ago. And remember, even those lasted me 2 seasons, so I'm sure these will last me many more seasons than that. So if you're in the market for plant support for your tomatoes or for your beans, I highly recommend these. You will be happy. You won't be disappointed. I'll go ahead and put my favorite products links in the video description and a QR code for these particular items that I like so much. I love sharing my fabulous finds with you guys. So I hope you like them too. Cheers! Happy planting, and I wish you all a productive season.